In this lesson, we will learn how to lay out a web page in Dreamweaver. To lay out a web page, first we need to create a blank page. Go to File menu, click on New and take one blank layout and click Create. Here we have a blank page with some sample text. Delete the text. Now we have a blank web page. To lay out this web page, we can make use of the layout elements from the layout table panel like div tags, AP div tags and table. Most of the web pages are designed using the table because it is the easiest and effective way of designing a web page. To set a layout using tables, first we need to insert a table into the page. To insert a table, go to the layout panel and click on table icon. Otherwise, go to insert menu and click on table. Now a table wizard is open. So in this wizard, we should specify the number of rows and columns. Say for example 5 rows and 5 columns. Now decide the width of the table. We can type the width of the table. If we want the table to the exact width of the page, just we can see the width of the page and we can type the value. Now border thickness, cell padding and cell spacing. So all these three values should be kept 0 because we don't want our table to be seen in the browser. That means only the content that is inserted into the table layout should be seen in the browser, not the table. So border thickness, cell padding and spacing should be kept 0. Now click on OK to insert the table. Here is our table. Now we can modify the table by using the mouse. We can drag and increase the height of the rows as well as the dimensions of the columns. Now here we have rows and columns and cells. Now by editing these cells, adjusting these rows and column heights, we can lay out the web page. Before we lay out, first we should decide what are the various design elements that we are going to insert here. For example, if we thought of designing a home page, here let us see what are the basic things needed for a home page. Here at the top of this web page, we need to insert a banner consisting of the logo of a company, and on the right side we need to have some animation part, and here on the left side we need to have some navigation bar, and at the center the text or introduction about the website or the web page, and at the bottom we need to insert the email links and other links. So these are the basic things we wanted to put in the home page. So first we should make this area ready to insert a banner. We can merge all these cells and we can make it into a single cell to insert a banner. But instead of inserting a big image as a banner here, we can insert the banner in 2 or 3 parts. So we are making this area into 3 parts to insert the banner in 3 different parts. Here this first part we will allot it for the logo. The next 2 parts for the title of the banner. So select the 2 cells, right click, go to table and choose merge cells. Now the last 2 cells are for the subtitle. In this way we adjusted the columns. So here is the logo and here is the main caption of the website and sub caption. Now just below this we wanted to put a menu. To keep a menu, we should reduce the height of this row. Using mouse we can reduce the height of this row. Now select this particular row, right click, table and merge cells. So this particular area is meant for inserting a menu bar. Now this center area we kept it for typing the introductory text. And here we thought of keeping a navigation bar. Select these 2 cells, right click, table and merge cells. And in the center part of this particular table, we thought of keeping the main text. So here we merged these cells. In this way, by merging and splitting the cells, we can lay out a web page. Right-click Table. We can make use of these options like insert row, column, and delete row, column, and split cell, merge cells. We can design the layout. Now we can insert the design elements like images, videos, animations, text into the different cells, and we can lay out the web page.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.